koyo unu kate mo hanyen ba otien wa. Eka kane to luonga ni Mariam Pijo ame penge onia. Aria me pabina loho online eto tini ati kere gina matia me to loko. An loka matia loko ni atia loko kere dana chel peda atia loko duong. Atia me to bino loko kere ngata me jotia luong ni Awio scrap dealers. Awio gina mokela kan tini ni me bino loko kedi obero gina maneno. Ametia temera metia wood online. Ame yini ya ete wood im attacking Lil Square. I condemn that act. Mono po bero kirame jo solving kere peho te ki peho tikin yin kere ngato rame onu chono nuiti kere pora moro pe jo ti hokitu. A when you get a statement amo ya e bori ni manu yin na titi kere chick. But I would have loved to know article mechi hango me Uganda me yate ko binite kiti kere peho kere ngatoro. You would bogi, they will grant you a warrant to go and physically attack them, to go and assault them. To me, monoti by it bullying dano. You are actually a bully. Kaya kitu. Menuiti tell because you have power of ginoro mechini and you can prove other people you can do anything you like. That's wrong. Because jo oteno kana metia nini. Jua otena metiunga hokogi yungi metia gwoko kuchino. Gineno ni that is the way to solve the kipe homortie. Beatia metonia word so much into details about contract wuni Lil Square because that's between the two of you. Ame wune na ye ngeo kiti chaha wunu keri wune na ye tieko. But gina matia metonia kob tieni as a businessman kita me yini kobo kereni. Yini be the businessman, it's all unu contract, wuni Lil Square. I'm sure, ni contract, I make all wuni Lil Square, ni, you have a very solid evidence. I'm on it, where I can't look at Lil Square, chick. Through evidence, ni no, and I'm two chopping or kerapping or keratin, you know. Nura paper ke jama Paul Mati ma like to go and take yourself on the street me word what it to la neonyo tim uno pay tim chikana ya onwa timi jami and trust me tekigi na mechi hutuni ye and there's evidence betting adora me pay yate kwanyu what is million a power Lil Square onwa chuli eto me yini ya kaite kobuni worry new joke and you have that power. Meya ekete koboniti would ballo property adano. It ineo konkara dia me ter me dano no ginora me dano to eroketo ginoro paying to show for. I will not talk much. Monokobni actions speak louder than words. So what I'm here to tell you, atia mi nina di a deck. Nina deck. Mironungi otohalil Square teaching woni kitamonu tikere. Itiko bani tikere one now chako tikere hikomi. You will hear from our family lawyers. Thank you.